Hi, my name is Lisa, occupational therapist, Padovan Therapist specialized in autism spectrum disorder. And today's video is about what is Padovan therapy. Many of you ask me, what are you doing as a Padovan therapist? So this video is for you. What is Padovan therapy? Well, let's start by explaining what is Padovan therapy. Padovan therapy is a holistic, natural approach, therapeutic approach, that works on recalling the neuropsychological stages of the nervous system, meaning that we work on different functionalities of the nervous system. Padovan therapy restore, rehabilitate, or help push the nervous system to the full potential. So what do we do in Padovan therapy? We have to understand that the nervous system has different functions, right? We have different areas. We have the sensory area, the motor area, cognitive, communication, psychic, and then we have the autonomous nervous system. So Padovan therapy, what we do is we work through a sequence of different exercises, restoring, rehabilitating, or pushing the nervous system to the full potential, meaning we do certain exercises working on the milestones that represent the maturing of the nervous system. Who can be a Padovan therapist? Well, in order for you to become a Padovan therapist, you need to be working in the medical fields, meaning you can be a doctor, nurse, you can be a psychiatrist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, physiotherapist, early intervention teacher, any professional who is working in these areas. Why you should bring your child to Padovan therapy sessions? Being a Padovan therapist, we work with children from autism spectrum disorder to neurological rare diseases. Children with difficulties in attention, cognition, memory, motor skills, behavior difficulties, or sensory difficulties. So as a professional, having such a holistic therapeutic approach, it's very easy to target many areas at the same time and have satisfactory results. So it's a very fulfilling method. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the ring button. So like this, you will get the notification of my next videos. I will be seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching.